Yeah. This that light work. Turn pain into plants, stress into strands, growing from the inside out. Let's go. I don't need the sun. Got the glow in the tent.
What's good, Grummies? Welcome back to WepopGardening. We have a new addition coming to the house here in the garden. Yeah, you see that MG, you got the Metagrow Neo 780, fam. I'm excited about this. I've been stalking Metagrow for a long time, ever since I got into the grow scene, and seen them coming in hot. They have some amazing products over there, and I'm excited to introduce this to y'all and get this in the garden and get it rolling. This is 780 watts, obviously. This also has what they call aura control. This allows for precise dimming and spectrum switching, which also this light comes with the sunrise sunset simulation. We got everything we need here: hangers, power cords, adjusters, instruction manual. So for those of you that haven't seen this Neo 780 yet, this light is pretty slick. It's got the ballast built into it, so it's actually a part of the actual light assembly, which is cool. It alleviates all the extra BS on the exterior side and having to have a separate ballast sitting out. As far as cooling goes, it's supposed to be comparable to having your smaller ballast removed from the tent, because this ballast allows for heat disbursement all the way through it. I like the overall construction of it. So it's got a little weight to it, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the overall weight on this is, but this light is designed for flowering a 4x4. It can veg out a 5x5. Obviously, I'm sure you could run flower on that too for the 5x5, but definitely recommended for the 4x4, which, as y'all know, for those of you that have been here, we run 4x4s over here at WepopGardening. So this is ideal for me and my setup. And like I said, you could definitely run this in a 5x5. You're just gonna have a little bit of scragglers probably on the side. It's packaged well, I like that. Pretty straightforward, it seems. I mean, it's got the fold up here, and then obviously bifolds out. Makes it great for easy storage, adaptability. Look, you can adjust your bars on the sides. If you need to get them up a little further, you can tip them out, so that way you're dispositioning your light and stuff. So I wanted to get you guys in here so you can see the controller here. This runs the ballast, and then obviously controls everything. We're gonna get it set up so y'all can see, but I'm gonna get some power to it. So on the back here, you got your plug-ins, obviously ports for your dim in, dim out connectors, so that way you're running, if you're running simultaneous lights. And then obviously this is your plug-in here for your power cord. So if you need to store it or anything, it helps keep the moisture out, safe, everything's cool. All right, Grummy, so we got some power going to her. This is gonna show up. Obviously the external control is because it allows you to hook up to the Wi-Fi, so you can run it through the app and watch your controls. And then you have local control, which will obviously allow you to run your stuff. And then you just change out your percentage via the turn dial on here. Let me turn this down so y'all can see that. That was a little bright for all of us, I think. So the cool part about this is, this shows you what your wattage is, which I think is pretty awesome. So your initial setup for your settings, you can flip to your timer. You got your spectrum section, which you can click that. It's on F1. If I want to go to V1 for veg, I click that and it shifts it, which is, it's pretty awesome, y'all. And flower, obviously, puts more of the IR back in there for obviously the flower phase. So gives you a little versatility there. You can shift it out when you go to the veg. Obviously you're looking more at the white light, which is cool. And obviously the F1 there. So to get that back, you just click in. You can go to your grouping. This will allow you to set up groups. That way if you're running multiple things, and allows you to name them, which is awesome. So then you got your Wi-Fi control, local control, which we can set that up. And then obviously I gotta go through this process to get it set, which I'm pretty sure I gotta download the app to get it. But anyway, see, that's the slick part. It's gonna hold it for me. And it's showing me where my wattage is at 15% during obviously the veg spectrum. Let's see here. A couple other cool things. Obviously the sun. And you got your display settings. You can have those on. You can set your display time to run 15, 20 seconds. However long you want it up, it'll let you run it. That way it stays on that long before it actually goes off. Usually when I'm playing with things, I only need it at like 30. So we'll set that there for now and let that ride. Initial settings, obviously you set your day. We're in September. Nah. Super easy to navigate through, y'all. I like this. So again, I just wanted to get in here, let you guys see the initial setup on this. Obviously, I'm gonna go a little more in depth on this once I get everything set up, connected to Wi-Fi, all that. So I wanted to let you guys know that this light right here is stacked with red light. These are pretty much as wide as most from what I see, which is awesome. It's not super crazy intense. Nobody wants the crispy top to tops, but still beautiful. Plenty of white light, bright, full of IRs, and you got tone dispositions in here for the spectrums. So you got obviously yellow tint and then a brighter white, and then the reds laid out through. And then once you flip the flower, these other reds pop on for you. Nice lights, y'all. Obviously y'all can save using Wepop. Help yourselves. On that, I'm gonna drop links, as you know. This is that R control, like I said. This light runs with a ppfd of 2106, y'all, and the efficacy of 2.7 ohms. So it's giving you plenty of power with energy efficiency for your grows. So it's ideal, like I said, for the 4x4s, but can run in a 5x5, y'all. So definitely worth looking into if y'all are looking to invest. Obviously, I know lights are crucial. Lighting is crucial in the grow. So you got to do what you got to do. You know what I mean? Sometimes spending that money is worth it, y'all. But this right here, Medic Grow, these guys are a game changer, y'all, in the garden. Can't wait to show you guys this run. This run is gonna end up going this light right here is gonna get swapped out into the 4x4 for the run with the air cube over there. So we're gonna run this light on the hydroponic system. So for those of you that are new checking this out, if this is your first time here at the channel, sub up, hit that notification bell so y'all can catch the Grow series on this. I got another great announcement coming out on that soon, which I will hit, so stay tuned on it. Got her up here in the tent. She is cranking out. I got this at 780 watts. Y'all can see that. Obviously, she's a beast. She is covering wall to wall. This is gonna be on that Grow series over here with the air cubes, y'all. So we are running the hydroponics in here. If you're new to the channel, smash that like, sub up, hit the bell so you guys can see how this MetaGrow 780 Neo runs out. If y'all are interested, go get you some. Use code WEPOP, save you 10% on your orders, y'all. Can't beat it. It's a beautiful light. She's great. She's sitting in here right nice. I wanted to get in here and let y'all see the temperatures on this. So you can see this is maxed out. I'm gonna take a couple readings here of the ballast, obviously, like I said. Look, it's reading low. Now if we come to the light's running at 107, the actual light, yo. So the ballast itself though, it's running so low that it's not even dissipating enough for the thermo to pick up on it. So definitely a game changer here in the garden. I'm excited about this, and again, that's at 100, y'all. 780 watts, cranking down. I got a little bit of heat here. The disposition stops right about, I'd say 10 inches from there. So you can get all that real close to the tops. Definitely excited about this. MetaGrow has also hooked us up over here with their 120 watt full spectrum under canopy grow light, y'all. It's the Hellfire. It's available for y'all to get. So again, save yourself some money on that and get you some. I'm gonna post these up for you so you can see here. It's a compact design with a PPFD of 2.7 ohms, and it's running 324. That's for an under light, for under canopy, guys. That's crazy. That's the best one I've seen on the market yet. It's obviously gonna boost your yields with the supplemental lighting there for the underside. It's designed for all growth stages as far as veg and bloom, and it covers the full spectrum. It seamlessly integrates into the Neo 780 mini screen, and it also offers its very own custom controller, so you can add it to your other tents if you're not running the Neo. It's got its own separate manual controller, which I think is epic, y'all. So again, get you some of that. Stay tuned on this. We're gonna be popping the seeds here this week and getting this grow underway. I'm excited to see how this turns out, guys. Appreciate y'all. As always, much love. Thanks for stopping in and watching. Till next time. Peace.